Thompson Family Law is a team of legal professionals dedicated to finding effective solutions. I'm Rochelle Grossman with Parlegal. Attorney Steve Thompson has been serving the Southwest Florida community for 27 years. Tell us about your approach to law.
We try to help people resolve their disputes where they have a need for a continuing relationship, and that means if they have children, if they're paying alimony or child support, they need to get along for a long time, and you have to handle that case differently.
So maintaining relationships, putting your clients first, this relationship building is really important to you.
It is, and it's important to our clients. We're going to model behaviors that will allow them to continue to work with their former spouse or their former partner over the years. And if we can't show them how to do it during this difficult time for them, they're never going to learn it.
It's never really easy to talk about, but divorce, alimony procedures, prenuptial agreements, these are all types of things the Thompson Family Law Firm provides.
But we do, and the most fun of those would be adoptions and prenuptial agreements because we're helping form new relationships. Divorces and modifications are taking apart relationships or restructuring or redefining those relationships.
And what I think is so unique, Steve, is that your firm provides the clients with a level of choices when it comes to their legal services.
That's very important. Clients may not need the full range of things that we know how to do, so we try to listen carefully to what their problem is and suggest an appropriate level of service that will solve their problem.
And Steve, sometimes that's mediation, sometimes that's that collaboration you were talking about, but sometimes it is litigation.
It is, and you want to carefully figure out what that client needs. If there's some level of communication, then a collaboration approach or a mediation approach will be effective. If there's no level of communication, then a judge is going to have to decide it, and litigation is going to be the right way to go.
Of course, when hiring an attorney, everybody's always worried about finances. What are some of the more cost-effective ways?
I think one of the most cost-effective ways is just to give that client really good advice about what the reality of their situation is about. They can then probably negotiate something a little more effectively. If they need ongoing help, we enter into a coaching arrangement where they are managing things, but they periodically call us for how do I fix this problem or how do I handle that. Another way is to bring in a mediator where you can facilitate communication. That would be an effective, cost-effective way to resolve things.
So Steve, you're like the quarterback of Thompson Family Law, really using a team approach to solving problems.
We do. One lawyer is very effective at domestic violence. Another is excellent at relationships. Another handles negotiations and mediation as well. And I handle complex matters. There's one attorney assigned to the case, but we talk to each other and try to come up with an optimum solution. In that way, the client is very well served.
And to put Thompson Family Law to work for you, just click on the link provided.